Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best shark in a jar reel is probably one of the most intriguing and potentially effective products to hit the market recently, promising a unique approach to mention product's main benefit or function, e.g., pest control, home security, or a novel gadget. Imagine having a briefly describe the product's core feature in an exciting way, all contained within a convenient and innovative package. This review will dive deep into whether this product lives up to its ambitious claims and if it's the right solution for your needs. Number 5. Mayena Jaw Exerciser Classic. Introducing the Mayena Jaw Exerciser Classic, a powerful tool designed to help you achieve a stronger, more defined jawline. This set is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their facial aesthetics. Our set includes 4 silicone exercisers with gradually increasing resistance. This progressive system is ideal for beginners and intermediates to train at their own pace, suitable for both men and women. Designed for comfort and effectiveness, these exercisers feature a balanced bite design that distributes pressure evenly. You can train without discomfort, avoiding the sharp edges found in other products. Regular use helps activate your jaw and facial muscles, supporting a slimmer and more defined jawline over time. It's perfect for building consistency in your jawline training journey. These compact exercisers allow for discrete workouts wherever you are, at home, at work, or on the go. Each resistance level comes with its own carrying case for ultimate convenience. Crafted from durable, food-grade silicone, they are built for repeated training sessions. You can purchase with confidence, knowing they are backed by Mayena's customer support. What we like. This jaw exerciser offers progressive resistance, making it perfect for beginners to build strength gradually. Its comfortable, balanced bite design ensures a pleasant training experience. If you are looking for a discreet way to enhance your facial muscles and define your jawline, this is an excellent choice for consistent, on-the-go workouts. What people say. The shark in a jar reel is a unique and engaging product that brings a touch of the ocean into your home. The realistic shark design is captivating, and the internal lighting system creates a mesmerizing ambience. It's a great conversation starter and a fun addition to any room. The quality of the materials used in the shark in a jar reel is impressive. The jar is made of durable glass, and the shark figure is detailed and lifelike. The LED lights are bright and evenly distributed, providing a beautiful glow. Setting up the shark in a jar reel was a breeze. It comes with clear instructions, and all the necessary components are included. The operation is simple, and the product is low maintenance, making it a hassle-free decorative item. Number 4. FryAway Super Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier Powder. Tired of messy oil disposal? Introducing FryAway Super Fry, the revolutionary solution for your kitchen grease. Our unique resealable pouch and built-in scoop allow you to use exactly what you need, from a sauté pan to a deep fryer. Say goodbye to guesswork and waste. This one pouch can solidify up to 24 cups of cooking oil, making it perfect for frequent use and everyday cleanup. It's our best value for busy kitchens. Disposing of cooking oil has never been easier. Simply add the powder to hot oil, let it solidify, and toss it in the trash. No more messy spills or clogged drains. Our solidifier is made from plant-derived fats, making it non-toxic, kosher certified, and naturally biodegradable. It's an eco-friendly way to keep grease out of waterways. Whether it's olive oil, vegetable oil, or even bacon grease, this versatile solidifier works with all types of cooking oils. It's the one solution for all your kitchen grease needs. What we like. This cooking oil solidifier is incredibly versatile, allowing you to use just what you need for any amount of oil. It can handle a large volume, making it economical for frequent use. If you hate dealing with messy grease disposal and want a simple, plant-based solution to keep your drains clear, this is the product for you. What people say. The shark in a jar reel is a great addition to any room, providing a unique and eye-catching centerpiece. The realistic design of the shark, complete with intricate details, makes it a conversation starter. The jar itself is made of high-quality glass, ensuring durability and clarity for optimal viewing of the shark. Number 3. LaSyL Natural Cooking Oil Solidifier Powder. Tired of messy grease cleanup? Our plant-based solidifier makes disposing of used cooking oil simple and mess-free. Say goodbye to greasy containers and costly sewer repairs. Crafted from vegetable fats, this powder is completely safe for your kitchen. It's odor-free and won't harm your cookware, making it ideal for daily use. Our 12-ounce jar offers convenient storage and easy access. Simply scoop out the amount you need, whenever you need it, for hassle-free oil disposal. After frying, add the powder to hot oil and stir until dissolved. Once cooled, scoop the solidified oil into the trash. Adjust the amount for a firmer result. Whether it's from your home kitchen or a restaurant, this solidifier handles all types of cooking oil. It's the perfect solution for anyone who dislikes dealing with greasy messes. This value pack can solidify up to 2.25 gallons of fry oil. Enjoy a cleaner kitchen and easier disposal process. What we like. This natural cooking oil solidifier offers a mess-free way to dispose of used cooking oil. Its plant-based formula is safe and odor-free, perfect for everyday kitchen use. If you're looking for a convenient, large-capacity solution to harden fry oil without the hassle of messy cleanup or potential sewer clogs, this value pack is a great option. What people say. The shark is very realistic and detailed. It's a great conversation starter and looks amazing on a shelf. Number 2. PiperWai Natural Deodorant Cream. Introducing PiperWai Natural Deodorant Cream, a revolutionary product designed for both women and men. Experience effective odor protection without harsh chemicals. Our unique formula is completely aluminum-free, utilizing the power of activated charcoal and magnesium. This ensures a gentle yet powerful approach to staying fresh all day long. Proudly vegan and recognized on Shark Tank, this deodorant is a testament to natural wellness. Feel good about what you put on your skin. This convenient 2-pack comes in a 1.7 ounces, 50g, scented jar. Enjoy a pleasant fragrance that complements its odor-fighting capabilities. It's crafted to be gentle on your skin while remaining highly effective against odor. Embrace a natural way to feel confident and clean. What we like. This natural deodorant is formulated without aluminum, relying on activated charcoal and magnesium for effective odor control. It's a vegan and cruelty-free option for those seeking a gentler approach to personal care. If you prefer natural ingredients and are looking for a deodorant that is both effective and kind to your skin, this scented jar is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Shark in a Jar reel is a great addition to any room, providing a unique and eye-catching centerpiece. The realistic design of the shark, complete with intricate details, makes it a conversation starter. The jar itself is made of high-quality glass, ensuring durability and a clear view of the shark within. Number 1. Scrub Daddy Kitchen Sponges with Daddy Caddy Holder. Introducing the Scrub Daddy, the ultimate cleaning companion. Its unique flex texture foam adapts to your cleaning needs, becoming firm in cold water and soft in warm. You control the scrubbing power with this innovative sponge. Tackle tough messes with its firm texture or handle delicate surfaces with its soft side. It's the perfect tool for any cleaning task. Keep your sink tidy with the Daddy Caddy. This sleek organizer holds your sponge securely, providing a smart and convenient storage solution. Worry less about scratches. This versatile scrubber is safe for over a dozen surfaces, from dishes to cars. It's not your average kitchen sponge. Enjoy a cleaner home for longer. When maintained properly, it resists odors and stains for up to 8 weeks, ensuring freshness and effectiveness. From dishes to bathtubs, it cleans it all. Its flexibility makes tackling dirt, grime, and gunk on any surface quick and efficient. What we like. This sponge offers a unique temperature-controlled scrubbing experience, adapting its firmness to the water temperature for optimal cleaning. It's safe for use on a variety of surfaces without scratching. If you need a versatile, durable, and odor-resistant cleaning tool that can tackle messes from tough to delicate, this is the sponge for your kitchen. What people say. The Shark in a Jar reel is a great addition to any collection, offering a unique and eye-catching display. This product is well made and durable, ensuring it will last for years to come. The realistic details of the shark make it a fascinating piece for both educational and decorative purposes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.